Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everybody. Today you dress up like Jawaharlal Nehru. யார் நீங்க? Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the freedom fighter. சொல்லுங்க. He is the freedom fighter. Oh, what you wrote? My dear children. My dear children. சொல்லுங்க. Dear children. You all are the builders of future. Always be curious, seek knowledge and dream big. Wow, very nice thought, right? Yes, say thank you to everybody. Thank you சொல்லுங்க எல்லாருக்கும்.